Okay, Brad, another email question. A lot of people, you have a lot of these.
Oh.
They hate replacing the blades. They're like, how can I keep my my blade, my utility blade, sharp?
Yep.
And I know exactly the answer. That's why I'm handing this over to you.
Okay.
So when you're done doing whatever you're doing here, I want you
All right,
to
so
hold
let's
on
see.
to this. Let's get a test. Let's see how it works.
All right, and it's got like rust on it or something, so that's
Right,
cool too.
I want to find an age
well,
one.
a lot of them do, you know. All right, so let's see. Okay, it'll cut, but you got to coax it.
It is a razor blade.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got a sharp.
All right, so let's pretend that I am out. I got so much stuff in my pocket. Okay, let's say that I'm out somewhere, and this is what I tell people they should have in their pocket. If you're using a razor knife for boxes, paper string, tape, tar paper, roofing, insulation, whatever you're doing, and your knife of choice is actually a razor blade, a razor knife, utility knife, something like that. So now we take it. I'm going to let you see. Okay, like that. Then we just do this. I watch the shine on the blade. I watch the rust and stuff coming off of the cutting edge, the bevel that was ground on it. So it'd be just like that. Turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, just like this. Gets shinier and shinier and shinier. So just like that. When you first tune them up, it could take like 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. Then after that, give them a tune-up frequently and never let them get that dull again. So just like this. All right, let's see what we have now. Okay, that's much better. Right there, it needs a little bit. But when you can go ahead and slide it down through the paper like that. And actually, I don't think I want my blades, I've said this a lot of times, I don't want them absolutely sharp as you can get them. They're too thin, they won't hold an edge. So leave them just a tiny bit thick, and that catches and takes the, stuck. Takes the fingernail off that easy. So it's actually pretty sharp. So carry this little guy in your pocket. We call it the round, the poker chip, okay? Like that. I take the keychain thing off because I don't use the keychains on any of my sharpeners, okay? And then it would be just like this. Using this straight line 90-degree corner. If you're left-handed or you happen to get it turned over, same corner. So it'll be just like this and just like that. Then you'll touch it both sides. Take the little wire edge off of it. And let's see if it's sharper now than it was the first time I cut the paper. Oh yeah. And that's plenty sharp to do your cutting on insulation and tar paper and stuff. Anyway, go to sharpensbest.com. Take a look at the family of sharpeners. Order your sharpeners. The more you buy, the cheaper they get, okay? You might even end up with free shipping. But this one is sort of my absolute favorite because it's in my pocket every day, everywhere I go. I can fly with it. I don't care what. It's with me. And I can sharpen the things when I get to where I'm going. And so it's just great. Go to the website, sharpensbest.com, take a look, make your purchases, buy enough stuff to get a discount, plus maybe free sharpening, or free shipping. We'll talk to you later.